Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another Lightstream tutorial, and today we're covering how to put alerts on your stream so as that you never miss anyone following or donating or anything like that at all. It's going to be a real short one, so saying that, let's get into it. Alright guys, as I said earlier on at the start of the video, this is going to just be a real quick tutorial because there's not loads to it, and this is going to be it's pretty basic. Alright, what you want to do to use Streamlabs and the Streamlabs alerts in Lightstream is first go into your Twitch channel, up in the top right hand corner, click your logo, create your dashboard. You can get extensions a different way, but this is just if you want to go into your extensions. On the left hand side here, onto extensions. Now it's already in my extensions. If you don't already have it, you're just going to search Streamlabs. And it's going to be this one here, Streamlabs, all in one tool. That's the one you want. Alright, but I already have it. So I'm going to go to my extensions, we'll click on it. Over to configure on the right hand side. Click configure. Complete setup. And this will then take you to your Streamlabs dashboard, where you can then customize the alerts to whatever way you would like them for your stream. I'm not going to change any because these are already the ones that I use on my stream. But you go on the left hand side here. Sorry, I just went on there. On the left hand side on the menu, you have your alerts block, widgets and stuff. All this here stuff you need to be a Prime user to have. And as this is all about free stuff, I'm not going to bother with that. So we're going on to alert box, and that will bring up a page that looks like this. So you can see here, if you scroll down a little bit, so you've got your general settings, follows, subscriptions, donations, host, bits, raids, merch, etc, etc, etc. You get the gist. So for your follows, you just click on follows, follow alerts enabled. Your layout, this is pretty simple. This is, you want your picture and your text, the message that comes when someone follows you below it, or your text on top of your image, or image on the left hand side, text on the right. I have mine's coming through. This is your alert animation, so fade in, fade out. You can have a whole selection there. Fade down big, etc, etc, etc. Zoom in, bounce in, slide in, whatever way you just want to do that, guys. I just have mine's coming in and going out again. There's nothing fancy with mine. Message template, you can put them wherever you want in there. If you've got your own wee thing you want to say whenever someone follows you or subscribes or whatever way you want to do that there. I have no image in mine, but if you have your own image or you want to use your own logo, upload your image there. You can change the sound volume. I might actually turn that down a little bit. Your alert duration, set that whatever your personal preference is, because I'm still quite a small channel. It's not as if follows are coming through constant. So I like it to be there for a while, so as that the person that follows can see it. But again, guys, that's up to personal preference. So this here, you do this here for all of them. Follows, whenever you've done what you need to do, make sure and save it at the bottom. Go into subscriptions. Same thing, guys. I try to stick to mine. Mine's is all the same, so they are. That's just personal preference once again. All the same color, all the same size of text, all the same font, etc, etc, etc. This is general settings. This is where you can change the background color, alert delay. I'm going to change that. I want that at 0. Alert moderation layout of your general one, and profanity filter and stuff, and save settings. Whenever you update that there, then you want to come to here. So if you go through and you'll do it for your general settings, follow, subscriptions, donations, hosts, etc. Do it for them all and make sure and save them all at the very bottom. And then come up to here to where it says click to just copy the widget URL. I'll come up here when it's copied, widget URL copied. Then you want to go back on the Lightstream and have whichever scene you're going to put it on open. And it's the same, guys, same simple process. Click to add a layer in the top left hand corner. Down to third party integrations, the very last one. Scroll down until you find Streamlabs. And then in there, you're going to paste in where it says Streamlabs, it says enter your Streamlabs URL. Just go paste it in. And then this will be the size of your alert box. So now you've done that. Well, that's locked. Right? We are going to go back to here and you can test. So test follow. And this should come up here. Test subscription. There you go. Yes, the follow isn't working because I have follows selected here, but I have it unselected for Lightstream. As I use another one, so then you can test resub. Back to here. Test donation. Test bits. Alright, so you get the gist there, guys. As I said, it's pretty simple. And that will get you all your alerts, which I think is a really, really nice bit to have in your stream. Pretty straightforward to use, and that'll get you going. Shouldn't take you too long at all. So that's that pretty much wrapped up, guys. Alright, guys. Hopefully that tutorial was helpful to you in some way. It's a very short one, but it gets the job done. There is good customizable options in there to put in your own images and sounds and stuff, so it definitely can put your own touch and your own twist on your follows. And the alerts on screen make a big difference to people coming on your stream. I can remember my first time ever seeing one and seeing my name pop up. I was like, oh, you know, it gives you that wee warm fuzzy feeling, guys. So I definitely do recommend you get alerts in. Plus, it helps you to hear them and never miss them while streaming, which is also very important for the engagement. But yeah, guys, I have some other videos coming out on other alerts and other free full overlay packages, and it's really simple to do. It's just getting time to get that video made at the minute. But that will be coming out soon, guys. Also, I'll link my Discord below in the description. If you want to join the Discord, we will be there to help all day, basically every day. Like I'm in the Discord. It's very active. And there's also other guys in there that have also loads of different ways of getting free graphics for your channel. Also, stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 PM GMT, guys. I'll link my Twitch below too. I would love to see you in there. Any questions as well, hit me up live on stream. I'll try my best to get it answered. But yeah, guys, if you're liking the content, please drop the video a wee like. And if you wouldn't, just drop a wee subscription for it. I appreciate it, guys. Alright, peace out.